All right. When you're working with a brand and they are using, let's say, Adobe Stock images, they find something that they like, and then they're looking for continued and additional images. One thing that you're looking for is how do you keep unity between them? So, stylistically, that's something you're looking for, but also the color palette. And so, when you have a vector image, you're able to select elements in Illustrator and change their color. Now, obviously, we're not going to change things one by one, so I'm going to show you what we can do. Here is an Adobe Stock image that was downloaded as vector, so it has an AI extension. Now, I can see that it has a background, so I'm going to go ahead and use my white arrow, click the background so I can grab just the edge, like where a note is, delete, and you can see now I should have um, oh, it actually was like we're using some of that background there. That's a little bit annoying. Okay, well, let's just say we keep it for now. And I'll show you something we can do later about that issue. All right, so we're going to use our swatches palette. And with a new file, often you have no swatch tiles. But if you do, you're going to delete everything except the none and the registration. All right. Then we're going to take your illustration that you want the new illustration to match for color palette and go ahead and paste it in. Okay, so I pasted it down here. Now, with it still selected, I come to my swatches flyout panel and I say add selected colors because this illustration is selected and now all those colors are selected. That means it's added them here. All right. Now I'm going to take my new image. So I've dragged with my black arrow across and I'm going to go to edit colors, recolor artwork. Now this makes a pop-up and this pop-up kind of lives under other windows, so it could be hidden. All right, so color library, you're going to choose document swatches. All right, and now you can see it is all of these and it has colorized this new image to match. Now, you can say all, you could select just a few of the colors or auto, which in this case, let me click tab. So I've now made it pretty mad. We'll go back to all. All right. Now, down here with prominent colors, you can choose what your prominent color is. You can move them around. You can slide it so that there's more of certain colors or less. Um, so you have adjustments that you can do as well. I'm going to come in, show you again, document swatches. We have it set to auto, which is great. And I will say all all of our colors. I think it still made it the same. And then you click off and it will go away. So now you have your new image that you can use that has the same color palette. Now you can still come in and using your white direct select arrow, you can grab any particular element and change its color. Now, one of the problems you'll see here is it is relying on this white background to fill in some of these implied spaces. If you have a different color than white background, then you will have to do something else here. You could use Pathfinder Divide to break up some of these areas and still be able to color them. That won't be perfect for something like shoes. In my case, my background is white, so that's okay. All right, so happy designing. As always, I'd like you to take a moment, think about what brought you joy today. And today I was just thinking about the watercolor class I took with my son and how fun that was. All right, happy designing.